In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a video ad in Canva to sell your product. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free and start designing right away. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and choose the video or presentation format. This will open a canvas suitable for creating video content. Next, upload the images or videos of your product. Go to the Upload section on the left side and add your product photos or video clips. Drag each image or clip onto different slides to build your video. After adding your product visuals, include text to explain the product. Use the text section to add a headline, product name, key features, or a short message that encourages people to buy. You can also add animations to make the video more engaging. Click on any element or slide and choose Animate to add motion effects. To improve the video, add background music. Go to the audio section and select a music track that matches the style of your product advertisement. Preview your video to make sure the slides flow smoothly and the message is clear. When your video ad looks good, click Share and then Download. Choose MP4 video to export the final advertisement video so it can be shared on social media or used in marketing campaigns.